method. Now let us continue with the exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of the linear equation by elimination method and the substitution method. Here we have to use both elimination and substitution method for these 4 problems. First question, by using elimination method. In elimination method, we can take equation 1 as x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 as equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 and 1 by 2, I can write x plus y is equal to 5 into 2. Third, I will get one more equation, that is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 by multiplying the equation 1 with the 2. So this method you have to do in the elimination method. As the name suggests, elimination. Again, subtracting equation 2 from 3, I will write 2x plus 2y minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 10 minus 4. I can write 2x plus 2y minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Here I can cancel plus 2x and minus 2x. So 3y plus 2y is 5y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 by 5. So if you substitute y is equal to 6 by y in the equation 1 or 2, you will get x plus 6 by y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. Take 5 as LCM, 25 minus 6 by 5, x is equal to 19 by 5. So this is by elimination method. In the question already it is said that we have to solve this equation, pair of the linear equation, by substitution method also. So substitution method, again, take equation 1 as x plus y is equal to 5. Take equation 2 as 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. In elimination, what you have to do? You have to solve the equation 1. So you will get equation 3 as y is equal to 5 minus x. Then what you will get here, x is equal to 19 by 5. If you substitute this equation, you will get y is 6 by 5. So x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. So this is regarding the first problem. So second problem, take it as homework. Similar thing you have to do. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, and find the value of x and find the value of y. So this is the second problem. Third problem also similar only. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, substitute the value, you will get x. By using value of y, x, we can find the value of y also. Here x is 2 and y is 1. Let us solve the last problem of first main of exercise 3.3. Here 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 as equation 1 is given. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7 is given as equation 2. Here elimination method means we have to balance. So we have to multiply equation 1 by 3. Here you will get 9x minus 15y minus 12 is equal to 0 as equation 3. So you will get, so if you solve equation 2, you will get equation 4 also. That is 9x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Subtracting equation 4 from 3, you will get y is equal to minus 5 by 3. You substitute here in equation 2, you will get x is equal to 9 by 13. So this is regarding the elimination method. In substitution method, take equation 1 as 3x plus 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7 as equation 2. If you solve equation 1, you will get y is equal to 3x minus 4 is equal divided by 5. If you solve it in the equation 2, you will get x is equal to 9 by 3 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. So this is regarding 3.3 first main fourth problem. Let us continue with the next problem. Okay. So second main problem. Here, from the pair of the linear equation, the following problems and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. First, we have to write the 5 different conditions in the equation form. If it is consistent, if they exist, we have to solve by the elimination method as it is given in the second question of exercise 3.3. It is consisting of 5 sub questions. So let us solve one by one. In that first question, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to denominator, what is the fraction? So let us take the numerator as x, denominator as y. So the fraction is x divided by y. In the next question, it is concluded that if when 1 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, which will be equal to 1. It means x plus 1 divided by y minus 1 is equal to 1. Again, if you cross multiply, you will get x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. That's why we will get x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 as equation 1. When 1 is added to the denominator as it is given in the question in page number 36, we can write x by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. If you cross multiply, you will get 2x is equal to y plus 1. Therefore, equation 2 can be written as 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then by subtracting equation 2 from 1, we will get x is equal to 3. If you know x is equal to 3, in substituting equation 1, I can write 3 minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 5. So this is regarding the substitution method. Okay, and it is given in the elimination method. So the answer is equations are x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, where the numerator of the fraction is x and the denominator is y. Therefore, I can write, if you know the value of x is 3, the value of y is 5, so the fraction is 3 by 5. So this is regarding the first problem of exercise 3.3, second main problem. Okay. Next question. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old Noori and Sonu? So here we have to find the age of Noori and Sonu. Let us take the present age of Noori as x years, present age of Sonu as 5 years. Noori's age after 5 years ago or 5 years ago it is given. So you have to take x minus 5 years and y minus 5 years for the Noori's and Sonu's age. Now, by taking the equation, if I solve, x minus 5 is equal to 3 into y minus 5, I can write x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0 as equation 1. And also it is given in the question that after 10 years, the Noori's and Sonu's age will be twice. So I can take Noori's age as x plus 10 years and Sonu's age as y plus 10 years. So I can take 10 years later, x plus 10 years and Sonu's age will be y plus 10 years. You will get second equation, that is x minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. By subtract equation 2 from 1, you will get y is equal to 20. If you know y 20, you will get x is equal to 50. Therefore, I can write linear equations are x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0, where the present age of Noori is x and the Sonu is y. Therefore, age of Noori is 50 years and age of Sonu is 20 years. So practice this type of questions. These are very important for 4 and 5 marks questions. Okay, you can check out my LBA series also. In that I have already explained all the LBA solution based on substitution method, graphical method and elimination method. Next, third one. The sum of the digits of the two digits number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So here let us understand the question. So here we can take 1 place as x, 10 place as y. Then the number is 10y plus x. Sum of the digits of the number can be written as x plus y is equal to 9 as it is given in the question. Sum of the digits are of 2 digit of number is 9, means x plus y is equal to 9. By reversing the order of the digits, that is, I can write 10x plus y. Hence, 9 into 10y plus x is equal to 2 into 10y x plus y. If you solve, you will get x minus 8y is equal to 0 as equation 2. By subtracting equation 2 from 1, I will get y is equal to 1. If you know y is equal to 1, you can find x as 8. So I can conclude equations are x plus y is equal to 9 and 8x minus y is equal to 0, where y and x are the tens and 1 digit respectively. So therefore, the 2 digit number is 18 here. So this is regarding the question number or sub question 3 of second main. Next question. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charge for each day. Therefore, Sarita paid ₹27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid ₹21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charges and the charge for each extra day. So this is the last problem of chapter 3, pair of linear equation in 2 variables. So after watching this video, you can check out LBA series also of this chapter. And also I have told you which type of questions are very important, very most important for the examination also. So let us solve the last problem of exercise 3.3 and chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Here, a lending library has a fixed charge of first 3 days and additional charge for the each day. So Sarita and Suzy are paying some different number of the amount. So here we can take fixed charge as X, charge per extra day is Y. So Sarita is paying rupees 27 for book kept for 7 days. 7 days means for 1 week. So X plus 7 minus 3y is equal to 27. So I can take equation 1 as X plus 4y is equal to 27. Okay. Then Suzy is paying 21 rupees here for 5 days. So 5 minus 3, I can take X plus 5 minus 3y is equal to 21. So I can take X plus 2y is equal to 21 as equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from 1, I can write X plus 4y minus X plus 2y is equal to 27 minus 21. I will get y is equal to 3. Then substitute here. So X plus 4 into 3 is equal to 27. I will get X is equal to 15. Therefore, I can write equations are X plus 2y is equal to 21 and X plus 4 is equal to 27. Here fixed charge is given in rupees X and change or charge for each extra day is rupees Y. So fixed charge will be rupees 15 and charge for each extra day is rupees 3. So this is regarding the last problem of 3.3 exercise, second me, fifth problem. So let us discuss the new topic in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the LBA series.